I'm on the phone with Lewis. He's averaging more than $5,000 per week. He's a member of the $5,000 Club. And once again, he had more than $5,000 of AP this last week. No surprise. Lewis, I know that you're selling, plus you're leading a great team right now. What are some of the keys to your success?
Having a schedule, sticking to the schedule, and ordering enough leads. The house got a system that works. You need to follow the system.
Very, very good. Now, I've got a question for you. You're going to love this one. I know you had a $5,000 week last week, but was last week the week when you went on Tuesday and just had a terrible day?
Yes, sir. Tuesday, I only sold a $24 policy, and I had, I think, 13 appointments.
Okay.
It was just one of them days. Wednesday, I came back, and Thursday, I think I wound up writing $3,000 on Wednesday.
Well, that's excellent. One of the things I want to point out, you had 13 appointments on Tuesday, had a $24 sale for less than $300 of AP, and yet you ended up with more than $5,000 for the week, and that's because you have, number one, an abundance of leads, and number two, you're not a quitter. You didn't just curl up and quit. And many agents experience what you did on Tuesday during a whole week. In other words, they have 13 appointments scheduled for the whole week. They make one sale. They end up with a $24 sale. And in some cases, that will knock them out of the business because they don't have other days to back it up. And we all know this is all based on the law of averages. You've got to know your numbers. You've got to understand percentages. And even somebody like you, sooner or later, you got a bad day. Sometimes you might go out and get skunked for a day, and then other days you might go out. What's your best day that you ever had? Can you remember that?
I think it was $7,600.
A $7,600 day. I know you've had days where you've been skunked, had 8 or 10 appointments and had a zero. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
However, I don't know. I mean, you probably have had it, but I don't remember seeing any bad weeks. You consistently have those huge weeks, week after week after week, and it's because you make sure you get out there early and you work hard. I appreciate that.
Well, thank you. If I don't hit my goals on Thursday, a lot of times I will grab some leads that are in my area and I'll go door knock because I made a commitment to you that I would do 5,000, so I try my best every week to do that.
Well, I appreciate that. You've been doing a great job. Lewis, is there anything else you'd like to share with anybody?
The Howes are great people. They got a great system. Just as long as you work the system and listen to them, you will succeed.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Have a great week, Lewis.
Thank you for your interest in Howe Insurance Services. For additional audio and video recordings, please visit howtosellfinalexpense.com.